Search for. Wait, yo, whoa.
Hey, Pops, don't go up too high in the back.
Man, don't worry about this. We all done.
What's going on, YouTube? Ledger here, back once again for some One Piece goodness, man. Chapter 977 of One Piece is out. I know I'm a little bit late, honestly, but the reason I'm late is because I'm tired as hell. I'm tired because, you know what? I've been playing Final Fantasy VII Remake and Persona 5 Royal back to back. I don't know how I'm gonna do both of that, but you know what? It is what it is. You know, I still work from home, so the quarantine isn't giving me that much time. But I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna figure it out. But you know what? What I don't need to figure out is how I'm gonna read this One Piece, because I got the chapter right here. So it's time to get into this. I'm not gonna delay much longer. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Generous Prince. I'm working on a video that I just did with him a little while ago. Actually last night. I'll probably have it out by tomorrow. But yeah, we talk about some good One Piece theories, so make sure you check that out. I'll put his link in the description for this one here, and then and keep a lookout for that video. Okay, all right. But let's get down to this chapter right here. All right. Chapter 977. The party won't start now. Interesting chapter name there. And here on the front page we have Lola and Chiffon getting reunited. Right here. Oh, Gang Beige is there. Gang Beige was with Chiffon. All right, cool. So she's safe too. That's nice. Gang Beige, Oh My Family, Volume 24. Lola, Chiffon, sisterly reunion. How nice. All right, on to it. There we go. Jinbei. Yes. Almost forgot that's what happened last chapter, man. We had a good chapter last chapter. Jinbei, the 10 are finally together. Yes. You had us really worried. My apologies for my tardiness. I carried the wounded Sun Pirates and had a goodbye party. What? This dude was partying? Oh, he was out here fighting for our lives? Whatever, Jinbei. I'm happy still. Jinbei, a warlord of the sea, R. Nakama. It gives me faith. Frankie, Jinbei really is an incredible helmsman. Really? A man that can get the best out of the ship of my dreams? He was surfing with the Sunny. Pleased to meet you. Yes. Hand over the helmsman card, please. Yes. Should we drink? Yes. You are aware we have no alcohol, right? No, but I can feel it. Where would it come from? Who could feel it? Is that Zoro saying you can feel it?
What's this?
Where would it come from? Hey, Luffy Dono. I would like to check over with you that you know the plan before we enter the island. Over here. Liar. What? Drop it, Kinemon. You can't strategize with them. That's law. He's right though. At least he learned. Yeah. Wait, what's that? What is that? Oh, that's the lion guy. What's his name? Sicilian. Okay. I like to listen in on the full outline of the plan. During the war, we will serve as a vassal for the Kazuki Odin. For the Kazuki clan. I will command the Minks. Captain of Inarashi Musketeers. Full power Sicilian? Full power Sicilian. Is that his like actual name, or are they saying he's at full power? Okay. Sicilian. I'm counting on you. It's very pretentious, but I'll lead the samurai. Hey, Hyogoro. Yogoro the flower, boss from the shadows of Wano. Focus on your fights. Thanks for the support, Boss Yogoro. Be quick. Understood. I already told you this isn't a hotel, right? Lost still like, yo, they ain't listening to you long. It's okay. Onigashima is an island lined with mountains. The only way to get through is the main door. They're gonna bust through the front door.
FBI, open up!
Alright. The large skull is a mountain. It's a mountain, okay. And there is a castle inside. Oh. Thanks to the plans we've obtained, we know there's a passage in the back of the chateau. We will divide our strength into two, make them bypass the skull, so we can enter the castle by the secret passage and attack Kaido while he's drunk. I see, so that was a strategy Kanjuro heard of. What's the real one? Yo, this dude forgot that Kanjuro knows everything. Huh? He stuffed again. Yo, get him on, yo, come on, man. Don't be a dumbass now. First of all, the enemy will know we plan to raid. The ones they want to get rid of are the guys, are you guys, the Red Scabbards, as well as me, Straw Hat and Eustace. There you go. Whatever you plan to make, there will always be those two idiots up in front. Two idiots. Those idiots would make for a great diversion. Therefore, we can advance troops on both sides as intended. But these will also be bait. We understood the battle strategy by sending Kinemon or others to finish it. But what would the Red Scabbards do? There is only a seaway. If our submarine bypasses the land, we can avoid the whirlpools that prevent us from landing. And I can send you there with my ability. That's true. It's good, Lord Dono, but I must lead the troops. That's true. Then we will take the mountain route. One on the right, another on the left. We'll take on those that remain. We got it. We'll strike Kaido with all we've got. I want to see some fights from him. Good. As expected, the plan is finalized. Alas, nothing goes over your head. What a great leader. Dendro don't see the foolishness in Kinemon. I don't understand. But whatever. Hey, the Straw Hat's boast is no longer there. Law's stressing out now because it's like, what the hell's going on? What? Explosion in the mist? Was that Luffy Dono's voice I heard just now? Oh no, I haven't talked about the guardian. Talked about the guardians at the port, huh? The port at the front of the island forms a small fortress. At the night of the festival, the soldiers celebrate there instead. If they figure out there's a raid, will become a burden. Luffy Dono. Crap. Did they get him? What's going on? What? There's Luffy punching the shit out of somebody. Who is that? Is that one of the numbers? He's got horns? What is that? Is Luffy punching an Oni or something? What's going on here? Oh, Jinbei's knocking somebody out too. Ooh. Zoro's cutting. There you go. I like that. The Straw Hats are going to town. Hey, Brook froze somebody. Robin stomped somebody out. Sanji's kicking somebody effortlessly while smoking. Ooh. Frankie just knocked the shit out of somebody. Usopp, Nami, and Chopper have lied. Well played, guys. Good work. Not bad. Great start. Yeah, this is really funny shit. You just knocked out everybody that was facing that was guarding. Everybody's speechless. All these weapons. What's with this port? If they only talked it over with us. Hey, Kinema. There were enemies, all right. Hey, Mosshead, where'd you get that from? I told you, I felt alcohol. Oh, dude, sense the alcohol. He took the... What's that smell? Dang. Nice. Oh, wait, hold on a second. I didn't see Robin's full outfit. Oh, Robin looking nice, man. Oh. Okay. They beat all the Guardians. This is supposed to be our first difficult task. Super, we have alcohol. Celebrate Jinbei joining our crew. They're about to celebrate right now. They're really about to do that. Celebrate Jinbei joining our crew. We'll be doing it. I'm extremely grateful. You neutralized the Gin Guardians in an instant. Thank you all. Now all the boats can reach Onigashima. Yes, we can surely count on those straw hats. Now that we came sooner than expected, it increases our chances. Don't give the enemy time to prepare. Stop, Let's do it. With them, the toast, the banquet. She. First, we will settle things with Kaido, then with Big Mom and Orochi. First, let's win this war. Then we'll throw the biggest banquet ever. Hey, everybody's hype. Roger, this will be the best sake we've ever drank. Stop, you pipsqueaks. Yeah, that must be kid. We won't let anyone take off Kaido's head in our place. Isn't that right, Killer? Killer got his mask back on, but he's still laughing though. He still got the smile. Right. Once I have his head, it will make a nice figurine for my vessel. I didn't get a good look at Kid's ship. It looks like he has like a dinosaur skull on it on the front. That's nice. Oh, and I don't think I've ever seen his Jolly Roger either. Have you seen his Jolly Roger? Huh. It's pretty good. It's like has like a fire design on it. Okay. That's right. How dare they turn Killer this jolly? Imagine if they were the Jolly Pirates. Stop that. How odd. They seem to be having a great time. Jinbei, try to beat these oddballs in a naval race. Wahaha, got it. You can count on me. There we go. Alright, so let's see. Let me zoom in because this is very small. Kashin. Hey, I can't have a barrel now. I see. This is why I can't drink with you guys. Cookie. Bang, bang, bang. Don't get too far. Wait, what is that? Is that that's not Orochi. Oh, that must be one of the things that page 1 is part of. I can't remember the name of them. The flying something. Hey, I want more red bean soup. Please be patient. The next portion is for Big Mom. Make some more then. There goes Queen yelling. Worf. Then what happens? Pardon, my son. Is he gonna peek his head out? This is a banquet. Search for. Wait, yo, whoa.
Hey, Pops, don't go up too high in the back.
Man, don't worry about this. We all done.
Whoa. What did he say? My son? Who's his son?
You are the father.
Oh my God! Are the Carter Curry memes real? I mean, the Carter Curry theory is real. Oh gosh. Kaido's son? What? Who's he talking about? Let me keep reading. Hold on. Yeah, Flying Six. That's what they were called. The Flying Six. Search for him. Master Kaido, the Flying Six are here. They demand an audience. Is that true? I want Lilin to see them. Speaking of which, where is she? She's changing into kimono. Huh? Ooh, I don't want to see that. The Flying Six have arrived. Tack, tack. Let them pass. Tack, tack. Oh, shit. It's going to be all 6 of them. We're going to see that. But we're not going to see how they look like. We're just going to see their feet. Come on. Wait, but what? He said... Hold on. We have to wait for the official translation for what Kaido just said. What? He said... Then that... When what happens, pardon? My son... Is he even gonna peek his head out? This is a banquet. Search for him. Kaido saying he has a son? Who's the mother? But he said he's there, so it can't be Kaido Curry. Can it? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what that is. I have a lot of questions right now. I have a lot of questions, Oda. Oh, and next week is all right. So this say it's going to be on break, but it is going to be on break next week because of COVID-19. What happened is it's delaying all the shonen chapters, so we're not going to get a chapter next week. But I believe we should get 2 the following week, unless like Oda decides to break one of those weeks. I don't know, but. Yeah, because all the staff are working from home and such, so they're delaying it because I guess somebody at Shonen Jump got the virus. So, but yeah, Kaido has a son, I guess. I'm gonna wait for the Viz to like really try and theorize and register it, just in case there's something lost in translation, because that's just boom, just right out there, boom. Oh, where's my son? What? Hold on, what? You know, but I am excited to see the Flying Six and how they look like. Right now, their shoes look pretty cool, I guess. I can tell one of them is Drake, but I can't recognize any of the other ones. Oh, one of them's a woman. Okay, we might have a fight for Nami or Robin. I really hope not. Robin gets a fight. I really do. I really hope Robin gets a fight because she hasn't had a fight since like what, Skypiea. Like, we need Robin to have a fight. All right, one of them's a woman. One of them's Drake, I can tell. But there's one of them that's a swordsman. He's carrying a sword. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. They're being hyped up, so I want to see how they look. Now, I know one of them has a sword, but I don't want that person to be Zoro's fight, because I want Zoro to fight somebody that's a little bit higher on the list, like Queen or King. I think it's going to be King. But Zoro needs to fight somebody high up. This is Wano that he needs to show out. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to end that there. That's the reaction. If you like the content, like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to end that there. So yeah. I hope you guys like the chapter. I hope you guys like my reaction. And with that, Legend out.